Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can export in Photopea. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Photopea, and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're going to find the home section, this device, via Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. And right here, as you can see guys in the center of your screen, you're going to find new projects, open from computer, templates, and also the option to install Photopea. So right now, I'm going to click on a new project. Once you click on your project, you're going to be right here. So once here, as you can see guys, here you're going to find the option to uh, choose a name for your project. Here you can choose the width, the height, DPI, and also the background color right here. So I'm going to choose the white one. And here in the bottom, you can choose the size for your image. So right now I'm going to go to screen and then I'm going to choose this size. Once you finish, go ahead and click on create and then you're going to be right here. So basically guys, once you're here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your image. So firstly, I'm going to add the image by clicking on file and then clicking on open. And then I'm going to choose an image from my computer. For example, I'm going to choose this one. So once you add your image, if you want to export it, just click on file. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find save as PSD, save more. And here you're going to find export as. You can export it as a PNG, JPG, WebP, PDF, SVG, and so on. So right now I'm going to export it as JPG. Once you click on export, you're going to be right here in this menu. So basically guys, once you're here, you can choose the quality and then choose or check the format and then click on save. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.